We're here today at the UK's largest cheese production site, where operators were manually palletising cases of cheese all day, every day. As demand increased, this simply wasn't sustainable, so that's where Reeco came in. Ornua is a global business, and this is one of their major UK food production facilities in Staffordshire, which operates at scale 24/7. As production demand increased here, Reeco was brought in to automate and optimise the end-of-line processing, improving safety, consistency and overall efficiency.
Here at Ornua, we're producing at very high volumes. This is the largest cheese production facility in the country. Across the site, we have multiple production lines running continuously, and everything has to be efficient, consistent and reliable.
Ornua was introduced to Reeco through our partners, Somme. Ornua was very impressed with the palletizer performance and efficiency, so made the decision to partner with us to transform their end-of-line processing. Reeco installed 3 RB2000 palletizers combined with Reeco SmartConveying with a slipsheet application and high-speed servo gripper that lifts and places cases up to 15 kilo in weight with precision. The servo gripper can handle multiple product types seamlessly, which allows changeovers of products in a matter of seconds with no tooling change required. Pallet configurations are managed through the Reeco's Easy Stack software directly from a touchscreen interface to enable quick changeovers. As with most food factories, a key challenge was space, ensuring palletizing operations all fit within a restricted footprint without disrupting walkways or forklift operations. Traditionally, switching to industrial automation would have meant compromising on space, but Reeco's Cobot Automation solutions are highly compact, delivering high performance with tight dimensional constraints. Since installation, this line has benefited from improved consistency, greater load stability, and a significant reduction in manual handling. And on top of that, the system has the capacity to scale as production demands evolve.
The Reeco RB2000 palletizers are some of the best bits of kit we've ever bought. They've been reliable, efficient, and a really valuable addition to our production facility.
Following the success of the initial installations, Ornua has now committed to purchasing another 4 palletizing systems as we continue to grow our partnership. At Reeco, that's what we deliver: practical, scalable, end-of-line automation.